Yeah, you're having a snack. Oh, you threw the water down? Hi. Aaron, you want a snack? Colton, are you helping him? Dad?
If there's food on the floor, I'm gonna help him.
He's a good eater too.
Colton loves it. For some reason, food from
Hi,
the floor
Pearl.
tastes way better than anything else.
Hi. Hi. You sharing with your friends?
Thank you.
Yeah, you giving everybody else some good sharing.
Chair, Noah. Look at the chair.
Good sharing, Aaron. Yeah. Good share. Oh, you tipped over your cup. Thank you, Pearl.
Friends, oh my goodness, friends, let's go wash our hands. We're silly.
Aaron, you can't just throw it on
When
the
you
ground.
guys see food, you guys are like a little ant swarm.
Yes, they all want to eat together.
So funny. You're not thirsty, Aaron?
Noah,
Let's wash your hands.
guess who's here? Noah. Noah.
So mesmerized.
Yeah. Noah? No? You want to stay with your friends? Oh! My mommy's here.
Aww.
Yeah.
All right, Mr.
Look at this guy. Pearl, you want to give Aaron the cup? Yeah, they just got in a second ago. Oh, will you give him? It's Aaron's cup. Yeah, it's Aaron's cup. Pearl, that was Aaron's
That
cup.
says Aaron.
That
We'll
says
get
Aaron.
your cups inside the kitchen, but we have to wash
Yeah.
our hands first.
Thank you. That's Aaron's water. Drink your water, my love.
Do you want to get your snacks first?
Here, here, here. Careful. Watch it. Watch it. You're standing. You can't walk away. Where are you going? You're pushing your chair. Now it's
You
gone.
want your chair?
Now what are you going to do?
Go.
There you go. Aaron's chair. Want to take off your hat? You look funny. Is that Noah's mom? Yeah.
You can do that, huh? And then pulls down.
Uh-oh. It's too far. Oh.
Oh, you
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You going to give it to Aaron?
Thank you, Lily. You go eat some sweet. You want a couple extra crackers? You like these?
can do a cracker one?
What?
Yeah?
Here you go, Lily.
Go get it, baby.
You want some, Noah? Here, let me get you your water, too.
Good boy.
You
Yeah,
wanna go sit down, Noah?
crackers.
That's it? You want to sit with Mommy? Okay, okay. With Mommy. Okay. That's so funny. With Mommy.
Aaron, you're not that hungry?
Here you go. Pearl, here's your water.
No,
Yeah.
say, excuse me.
Yeah, very good. Good job.
Here you go.
Yes, Lily, what are you saying?
That mama's the
Do you like those crackers? Hi. Water.
Water.
That's Lily.
That's really.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Aaron. Oh, he's such a boy. He's a boy.
This one does that.